Welcome, viewers. Today, largely the move has been one way post these two candles. Okay, this is the first candle, 9:15 candle. Okay, uh, in the opening itself, Sensex has tested low of yesterday. This is low of yesterday, and this is high of yesterday. And this testing of low has happened, and it got rejected. From there, market, we are discussing Sensex here, went one way upward all the way here. So then, little bit of correction and giving up the gains it has made. Okay, so it is a one-way action. So direction is very clear. After the first 10 minutes, you can see that the move is upwards. These corrections, part corrections are healthy, and this swing low is not broken. This swing low is not broken, and also this swing low is not broken. Okay, so it is not expected because we were expecting market, both Nifty as well as Sensex, uh, to remain within this boundary. Okay, so what both Nifty and Sensex have done, they have just broken out of this range. They have tested this range multiple times. Okay, corrected, and then again tested the level and succeeded in crossing this range. So this is a positive trend if you go by the data till today. Okay, and how the this is a 5 minutes time frame chart. Okay, how the daily time frame is looking. Yeah. So if you recall what we discussed yesterday in our video, we said that this is a positive candle. This positivity is negated by an engulfing red candle, indicating a bearish sentiment. And today, what happened? This low was again tested, got rejected, and market went on to make a new intraday high and close near the high of the day. And if you look at the size of this green candle, this is engulfing the previous red candle. So we are back to bullish sentiment. Okay. And incidentally, this is the highest close on a closing basis. Highest close. Even this high you see. So what is this value? 85,105. So on closing basis, this value is 85,105. We closed well above this level. Okay. And what is this swing high? Swing high 290. But on closing basis, it closed 84,556. So it got rejected and it closed near the lows of the day. Okay. So this is the highest level based on closing basis. Okay. So this will be under test tomorrow. So today's high being 20, sorry, 76, no, 85,236. 85,236 is the today's high, and the swing high is 85,290. So this is an important zone. Breach of this level and sustenance above this level will call for a big move on upside. So it will go above 85,500. Okay. So is it going to go straight away when the market opens? May not be true because market is likely to test this level. What is this level? The previous day. So where we are now, 85, 186. Okay. So on upside, we are looking at these levels, and on the downside, 85,010 followed by breach of this level, 84,850, 84,667. So we are limiting our analysis on the downside till this level, and our bias for tomorrow, it is going to be positive. So if you get a correction early in the morning, opening in the first two candles, observe, and if it gets rejected, then one can expect testing of this level, and breach of this level can happen in no time, and we will be heading towards 0.6 to 1.2. On conservative side, 1% will take on upside. Similarly, Nifty is also in the same situation. The previous swing high is 26,104, breach of which and sustenance above this level would call for a big move on upside, 0.6 to 1% on conservative side on upside. Okay. So which are the levels one should be looking out on the downside? We are not expecting correction more than 150 points on downside in case of any bearish scenario also. So we will limit our view on downside to 26,900. Okay. So testing of this level should happen in the morning first 1 hour only. Based on that, if market sustains above this level, so you're going to go look at lifetime highs, that is 26,200 and plus plus. Okay. So this is, don't get confused, chart of SENSEX. These are exponential moving averages, 9 and 21. So blue is above green, so this is also a positive sign. And this MACD, moving average, convergence and divergence, this also turned positive on a hourly time frame. Okay. So similarly, the Sensex may also test this range one more time in case there is a gap down before it takes an upward momentum, picks up an upward momentum. Okay. So tomorrow is going to be very interesting one. And if all-time high is breached, you may expect a very big movement on upside, being an expiry day. So one should be very cautious if somebody is taking big positions on the downside. So that's all for now. Take care. Bye bye.